This 2017 leisure travel Unity U24FX is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2017 leisure travel Unity U24FX is built on a Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.